base, 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 and we have another SP Essentials, number 963 out of 1999 for Once Kopitar, LA Kings. So LA Kings, Once Kopitar, SP Essentials, base, and base. So we're down to our 4 fat packs. Still expecting one more future auto rookie. We have a base, 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 filler, base, 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 and we have a future. Here's our second Future Watch auto, numbered 300 out of 999 for the Minnesota Wild, Justin Falk. So Justin Falk, Minnesota Wild Future Watch auto. We have filler and base, 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 filler, base, base. So last pack. Base, 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 filler, and base. So box is empty, so that's everything there, folks. So once again, congratulations to all our hitters. I will do a recap video. And just a reminder, we do have the Black Diamond box and the Luxury Suite box right behind me there. That will be ending in auction tomorrow evening. So hope to see you bidding. I'll do a recap video. We'll clarify the redemption card and show you who our big hitters were. So once again, thank you everyone for the quick payment. Best of luck on future bidding and enjoy your weekend.